Meeting your animal guides. As with all of your meditations, it is important at the start to cleanse your space, light some candles, and include any imagery or any items that you need whilst meditating. When you are feeling happy enough, let us begin. Now we begin with some nice, soft, slow, deep breaths. Get comfortable, either lying down or sitting up. Put your hand on your stomach, the other hand on your heart, and feel your breath. Feel everything from your heart. This journey today, you are meeting very special guides. Our animal guides are very important. Some of us already have met some and they know who they are. Others may not know who they are and need to meet them. The importance of meeting our animal guides is that they show us things that other guides do not. We all have a number of guides, and totem animal guides can be anything from 3, 5, 7, maybe even 9, 10, 11, as many as you think you have, you probably already have. So put anything out of your mind that is restrictive, because through your life you are going to meet more and more guides. From the tiniest little guides you could imagine, like a ladybird, to the biggest guides you could imagine. Some people have dragon guides, and dragons are very big. Some people have whale guides. Whales are enormous. So, as I walk you through this meditation, you will find 1, 2, or many guides, and each time you return to it, you might find some more. Pay special attention to your surroundings, because sometimes your guides appear in the smallest of forms, and it's important to take notice of that. Often after these meditations, you may dream very vivid dreams. So again, keeping a diary is quite important. I would keep this diary of all your meditations beside your bed, because over time your dream imagery will become quite important and as part of your meditation and discovery as anything else you do. So take a deep breath. And we're going to take a nice walk in the forest. It's a beautiful summer's day. It's warm. Everything around you feels amazing. You feel really happy. The sun is on your face, and you know you're safe. You're happy. Now, if you look down to your right leg and over to the right, you're going to see something moving. This could be a very small animal. And take notice of this animal now. And know that they are there for you. Go with them. See what it is they want to show you. Allow yourself be free. If any thoughts come up in your mind, release them now. Let them go on the wind, and just follow your natural intuition. As you move off with your guide, your scenery might change. This is fine. Your animal guides teach you about special energy that you have inside of you. Your intuitive process will change once you link up with your animal guides. You will become more psychic. You will know and feel the earth beneath your feet. You will understand energy. You will know that the trees have hearts and that they breathe for us. You will begin to understand your deep connection with Mother Earth and how important it is right now that we connect back in with this energy and really love our mother. Your animal guides give you a special connection to Mother Earth. So keep walking. If you're still in the forest, just follow your guide to wherever he's going to lead you. As you move up ahead, I want you to come to a tree and sit at that tree. And you might notice a bird in the sky or some other animals around you. Again, they could be small animals or they might be bigger animals. If any thoughts come into your head, release them, let them go. As you're sitting at the foot of the tree, acknowledge this connection. Know that the tree is also one of your guides. As the tree breathes out, you breathe in. When you breathe out, the tree breathes in. Your connection to trees is amazing, and the depth of your knowledge will only grow. Each time you do this meditation, you will feel this connection with Mother Earth. Through all of the plants, through all of the animals you will meet, and they will show you how important you are and what your job is now. All of us have a job to love Mother Earth, to be grateful for what we have, to acknowledge our brothers and sisters, to connect in with all of our guides and our animal guides, and to know and understand that we are all here from one another. This connection is very important. We love and we grow, and we love and we grow. There is no judgment here. It is all about loving and growing and connecting back in with Mother Earth. And all of your guides will help you do this. So I will leave you now at the foot of the tree and meditate for a while with your guides. See who arrives to be with you now. Acknowledge them and allow them to show you what they need to show you. And stay here for as long as you need to stay. Have a blessed and beautiful day. Blessings and love.